Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following analytical geometry question. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. In the diagram below, two circles, centers M2 and 2 and C respectively are drawn so that they are tangential, touching at P. B is a point on the larger circle such that MBC is a right angle triangle. If the radius of the smaller circle is 2 with MB equals 4 units and BC equals to R, we are to determine 1. The coordinates of B, 2. The coordinates of C in terms of R, and 3. The length of the radius of the larger circle. Starting with the first part of the question, we are to determine the coordinates of B. From the question, we've been given the coordinates of M. We have that as 2, 2. And then we have the distance, MB, we have that as 4 units. So what that means is, because B lies on the same line as MB, that's the line that is parallel to the x-axis, what it means is the y-coordinates of M will also be the y-coordinates of B. This is also so because we have MB perpendicular to CB. So if I'm to write the coordinates of B, starting with the y coordinate, I have my x, my y will be 2, which is the same coordinate as M. So stating my answers, I have coordinates of M, that's 2, 2, and then we have the radius R of the smaller circle, that's 2 units. We have the distance MB equals to 4 units. So therefore, going to the coordinates of B, I have B, which is on the same line as my M as initial coordinate of X, same coordinate as Y of M. I'm going to change that to 2. And to find the coordinates of X of B, we can see that if the coordinate of the X of M is 2 and we move 4 units to get to B, so what that means is we have 2 plus 4 will give us the X coordinates of B. So therefore B will be 2 at the point of M plus the distance MB, which is 4 units. That will be coordinates of X, and then we still have our coordinates of Y to be 2. So therefore the coordinates of B is 6 and 2. So I'm going to change that to 6 and 2. The second part of the question says, find the coordinates of C in terms of R. We can see that the line CB is perpendicular to the line MB, and therefore if I move R units upwards, that will be on the Y axis. We already have the coordinates of B for Y to be 2, so therefore if I move upwards by 2 units, my Y coordinate will be 2 plus R. And to find my X coordinate, C is on the same line as B, so it retains the coordinates of X of B, which is 6. So what that means is the coordinates of C is 6 and 2 plus R in terms of R. The next part of the question says, find the length of the radius of the larger circle. I'm going to use the triangle CMB. If I draw that out as shown, I have coordinate C, I have B, and then I have M. I have the distance CB that has been given as my R. MB is 4 units. And then if you look at the distance, I have the points P here. If you look at the distance MC, we've been given the distance CB to be R. So what that means is the distance CP will also be R, because that is the radius of the circle. So I have my CP equals to CB, which equals the radius of the big circle, and that's equal to R. So I'm going to put that in my diagram. my PC is R, and then we're given the radius of the smaller circle to be 2, so I have MP to be 2. So in total, the distance from M to C is 2 plus R. Using Pythagoras theorem, I have the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, that's MC squared, equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides, which is CB squared plus MB squared. MC, that's the total distance. That's an expression, so I'm going to put that in the bracket. That's all squared equals CB, that's R, so I have that as R squared, plus MB is 4, so I have that as 4 squared. If I expand the brackets on my left by foiling, I have 4 plus 4R plus R squared equals R squared plus 4 squared. I can take out R squared from both sides. I'm left with 4 plus 4R equals 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. If I move my 4, I have 4R equals 16 minus 4, which is 12, dividing both sides by 4, that's making R the subject of formula. Then I have 4 in 4, 1. Therefore, the value of R will be 12 divided by 4, which is 3 units. So note that the radius of the larger circle is also my R. That's the distance from the center to B, which is R. So what that means is the radius of the larger circle is R, which is also 3 units. Thanks for watching. Bye.